In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange appointment types in Acuity scheduling to keep your booking system clean, organized, and easy for clients. Let's get started by visiting the Acuity scheduling website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't done this before, simply head to the website and enter your credentials. This is the first step to accessing your appointment settings and getting everything in order. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the appointment types section. This is where you'll find a list of all the services you currently offer. It's like the control center for your appointments. Everything you need to manage them is right here. You'll see all your services listed, ready for you to arrange in a way that best suits your business and clients. To manage and rearrange these services, click on Types. This will enable you to take charge of how your offerings are displayed. You can simply click and drag any service. It's as straightforward as that to move it into a different order or category. Think of it like rearranging items on a shelf, where you want the most popular or essential ones up front and easy to find. Organizing your appointment types can be done by popularity, duration, or even price. This is incredibly helpful for your clients as it allows them to find exactly what they need faster. For instance, if your consultations are a main service, grouping them together can make navigation much more intuitive. Consider arranging services by what makes sense for your business model and client flow. A little organizing can go a long way in enhancing user experience. While you're rearranging, keep in mind the flow and structure of your offerings. Think about how a client might move through the booking process and ensure it feels natural and seamless. Remember, anytime you make changes here, they take effect instantly. This means you can immediately review the new layout and make sure it's exactly how you want it. Just take a moment to look over your new arrangement and verify that everything is in its rightful place. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully rearranged your appointment types in Acuity scheduling, making it more organized and user-friendly for your clients. It's a straightforward process that makes a big difference. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you next time.